how's it going? Today I'm going to show you how to draw Zilla. So we're going to start over here and I want to begin with the eye. So starting right here, I'm just going to make a little sad face and a little happy face for the eye. Then starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that goes down and it's just going to run right above the eye like this, almost kind of like a flat check mark shape. Then right here, I'm going to curve this up and I'm going to put a couple little points on it for his eyebrow because his eyebrow is kind of spiky. Then starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that just goes straight across and then it's just going to curve down like this. Then I'm going to take this line and I'm just going to go up a little bit and then down just to kind of show where his nostril is going to be. Then I'm going to bring this line down a little bit more like that. Then starting back here kind of behind his eye, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve down and then it's going to go up a little bit and down and then it's going to kind of level off. Then starting right here, I'm going to draw this line out a little bit farther and then it's going to go down and then it's going to curve out like this. Then I'm going to take this line and I'm going to curve up a little bit and then down. And then I'm just going to curve it right around here, make a little wiggly line like this. Then starting right up here, I'm going to draw a line that just goes up and then it's just going to kind of curve down. Then I'm going to draw another one that kind of goes a little bit higher. Then I'm going to bring this one down a little bit. And then I'm just going to put one more right there. Then I'm going to draw a line that just goes up and then down. And then I'm going to put another one here that just kind of goes up and down. Now I'm going to draw a line that is going to kind of go down. I'm going to make it kind of bumpy and then I'm going to curve it up for the tail so we have room to fit the tail in here. So I'm just going to start right here and I'm just going to make a line that's just going to kind of go down. I'm going to keep it kind of bumpy just to show that there's some texture. And then I'm going to kind of curve this line up and bring it up here towards the top of my paper. Now, starting right here, I'm going to just draw a line that's just going to kind of curve down and then back up like this for the neck. Then, right up here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve down like this for the arm. Then I'm going to draw a little line starting here that just kind of curves back. Then right here, I'm going to draw a line that just kind of curves down and then goes up like this. Then I'm going to take this and I'm just going to curve it down and kind of around for one of the claws. Then I'm going to do the same thing here for another. And then I'm going to do the same thing here. Then I'm just going to curve this around here. Then go around like this. Then I'm just going to curve this line down. And then I'm going to come to a point where the elbow is. And then I'm just going to curve it back up here to finish off the arm. Then starting right here, I'm just going to draw a line that just kind of goes down and then up. And then right here, I'm going to draw a little space just kind of where the stomach is. Now, starting up here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve down, a little bumpy, like this. And then I'm going to kind of curve it back. Then I'm just going to go down. And then for the feet, I'm going to draw a line that just kind of curves down real sharply, like this. Then starting here, I'm going to draw another line that just kind of comes down and does the same thing for another claw. Then I'm going to curve this up. And then I'm going to curve this one up a little bit to right there. Then right here, I'm going to draw a line that just kind of curves back and then up, almost kind of like the letter J for one of his extra little claws. And then I'm going to draw a line that just goes up and then kind of curves back. Then starting here, I'm going to draw a line that just goes up and kind of rounds off for like where his calf is going to be. And then starting right here, I'm just going to draw a line that just kind of curves up and out like this for the back of his leg. Then starting right here, I'm just going to curve this line around. I'm going to keep it nice and big. And then I'm just going to make it get a lot skinnier as I go down. I'm going to make this tail a little bit longer too. And then I'm just going to keep it kind of bumpy on top and just connect it to here. Now for another leg. So I'm going to draw a line right here that just goes down here and to here just to make his body look a little bit bigger so he doesn't look so skinny. Then for another leg, I'm going to draw a line that just kind of comes down here and it's just going to kind of curve around like we did the other leg. Then I'm just going to curve this out and down for a one claw. Then starting here, I'm going to draw the next claw and go right to that foot. Then I'm just going to draw this line up to here and finish that off for the foot. Then back here, I'm going to continue this line just to help make it look a little bit bigger, kind of run it into here. Then starting here, I want to draw another arm. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to make this arm kind of come down a little bit. So I'm just going to kind of curve this one down. And then I'm going to make this claw kind of come around like this, like he's kind of reaching down. I'm going to bring it up. Then I'm going to draw another claw here. Bring it up. And one more right here. I'm going to curve it around. And I'm going to draw it right to this hand and then up here. So this is our basic drawing of Zilla. So we want to start adding some of our details. So we want to do his spikes on the back. So starting right up here, I'm going to draw a line that just kind of curves up and then back down like this. Then I'm going to add a little bit bigger one right here. Then his spikes are going to get really big. So I'm going to really curve this one up and then bring it back like this. And then I'm just going to keep adding these all the way along here. And as I go down the tail, I'm going to make these get a little bit smaller. Leave a little bit more space in between them as well. And I'm going to stop him right about there because they don't go all the way down his tail. Then I'm going to put a few of these behind these other ones just to make it look like there's several rows of them. And I'll do the same thing back here as well. Now, some of the different details on here. So right here where the nose is, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to curve around like this for the nostril. Then I'm going to add some teeth just in different places, kind of above and below the mouth line. Then I'm just going to add some extra little details around here for some of the different things. So I'm going to fast forward this while I add all of the details, and then I will come back in just a second. Okay, there you go. There is your drawing of Zilla with all the details and everything. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Make sure if you guys are liking these videos, you hit that subscribe button. We're almost to 1,000. And click on that little bell for notifications so you guys can see every time a new video is posted. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.